Seems awfully empty around here. Jordan and I were supposed to do a video. I can't fucking find it. Where is this guy? It's just nothing here. We had this whole thing planned and he's not even fucking here. Unbelievable. Unfucking real.
Sorry, I'm late.
Holy shit, Spider-Man is real.
I'm not Jordan. He sent me.
Well, you had a little thing with your voice there, is that?
Yeah, he's,
Of course. Spider-Man, since Jordan is a deadbeat and didn't show up to his responsibilities.
Yeah, fuck that guy.
Yeah, fuck you, Jordan. You're gonna help me with this video. So, this is our Halloween special. We're gonna be doing a Synapse Misfire Halloween Special, right? And normally I was gonna have Jordan help me with this. But unfortunately, it seems you're gonna have to help me. Because that dumb motherfucker, stupid idiot Jordan, worthless partner, awful, terrible podcast co-host, garbage. I never should have promoted him to host. I never should have given him that dignity. It's disgusting, really. Frankly, I think it's gross that he even thinks he belongs on this show. It's unreal. Like, you know, you hear what I'm saying. You're a smart guy. You're an intelligent guy. I just think I should start a solo career. I need to start a solo podcast with just me. Or maybe I'll have you on, Spider-Man, because Jordan, it's not going to work out as him as a... Oh, holy shit, Jordan. Dude, Spider-Man was just here.
I heard.
You're not going to believe this. You just missed him, bro.
Dude, I couldn't get the zipper. I couldn't get the zipper. I'm glad you did that when you did, because I was starting to stall. I was running out of things to say. I couldn't get the fucking zipper.
Hello and welcome to the Synapse Misfire Halloween Special.
2022.
Yeah. This is me, Chris, and Jordan. We like to have fun around here, you know? And a little bit, it was Jordan the whole time. I knew it was Jordan, and we were just being a little silly. So,
What are we doing?
What are we doing? Well, I was thinking, right, in the spirit of Halloween, what do you think? What do you associate with Halloween?
Alcohol.
You know? Right. But, like, more conventionally, skeletons, perhaps.
Spooky dudes.
Perhaps witches.
I know a couple of those.
And wizards.
And wacky fellas.
And other warlocks and such.
Yeah.
You know what? Wizards, witches, warlocks, Wiccan, you know what they all have?
Wicked people have, yeah.
Potions. I don't know how well this translates. We're making potions, Jordan. Do you want the brown leather bondage gear or the black one?
It's up to you. You get your pick.
Okay.
I get the black.
Alright, so, since we're not witches, wizards, warlocks, Wiccan, wicked fellows.
We're just superheroes.
Wicked guys.
I don't know what you are.
Silly little magic men, right?
Magic men.
Now, we can't make potions, but we can definitely try.
Mm-hmm.
So that's why I've devised something, Jordan.
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna make cocktails in potion bottles. I got us some fun little recipes we can do. It's gonna be a great time. We're gonna make little potions. We're gonna try them and see how they come out, because these are modified recipes.
Now, can I at least change?
Sure. I'll let you do that.
Unzipping.
I actually do have to do that, don't I?
You do, yes.
Alright,
I should put
slowly
the zipper.
undressing Jordan. Jordan,
Yeah.
I explained we're making potions already. You can see the state of our studio, by the way. The wall's two colors. Don't worry about it. Anyway. Is it any better?
No, it's definitely better.
I cleaned these. I bought these from Amazon. They're fucking stinky. Let's explain for a moment here. Jordan, your costume had a little wardrobe swap here.
Yeah, so...
And this costume, from what I understand, shirt is fine, pants are out of the equation.
Pants are out of the equation. I barely fit in it with the shirt.
Okay.
I just kept the shirt on because I could, but it had that big ass line from the shirt being like, so that shit sucked. But pants out of the equation, right? So I'm in Chris's bathroom, putting the costume on. He needs to zip the back up. And I'm like, I walk out to have him zip it, and it occurred to me, I'm like, you know, we're in here. There's about 2 doors between us and the main walkway where, like, his dad might come down to go to the fridge or something down there. And I'm just thinking, I'm like, what if in passing, he just like looks in the bathroom and just sees my pants splayed out on the floor? So I was like, you know, maybe I ought to bring them in here.
Yeah.
So I brought him in here and left him in the corner because I was like, this is going to be, I feel like that was one thing that he would investigate. He'd be like, what the fuck is going on?
It would be like in Hitman when they start like your status switches to investigating. That would be him. That would be our status, would be investigating.
And the last thing I wanted was the pants on the floor, and then he opens the door here and I'm dressed up as Spider-Man standing in front of the fucking camera.
Mind you, alcohol. I guess we start first?
Yeah.
Now, here's an important question for you, Jordan. I'm going to propose this question to you. Would you prefer perhaps, because we're going to make one of each. Do you want a red potion or a blue potion in your little vial there?
What do you think? I think red goes well with black.
Red potion?
Yeah.
Okay. So we need the
Got
red.
the red car, you know. Got the red logo on my shirt.
We need the red.
A little bit of red. This is roses. I said rosés. Roses at grenadine syrup.
It's
Hold this bitch up with the camera.
I don't know what that's made of. I think it's pomegranate? I don't know. We had this. This is mine. I didn't buy this for this. I just had this.
Oh, it's vodka vodka.
This is $18, so I bought it because it was cheap. And this is the Diet Bundaberg Australia flavored ginger beer.
It's flavored like Australia?
Yeah.
The fuck does Australia taste like?
Kangaroos.
Oh, dude, I'm a vegan.
And let me think. Thinking, processing. I think we do need these. I might be wrong. It's been known to happen. I'll double check.
Didn't the recipe originally call for lime? We went with orang.
Yeah, so listen. Here's the story about that, which is interesting. I was looking at recipes specifically based on what I already had, so I had to buy as few things as possible.
Cheap.
And
Makes sense.
Yeah, because I'm a cheap bastard, right? So I was like, okay, this calls for lime juice. I have lime juice already. I was like, you know what? Ah, man, let's do like freshly squeezed orange juice, because
That's the same.
it's sort of the same. And the other thing we are doing needs orange juice. So I was like, okay, let's just call it there. It occurred to me, I could have gotten limes as well, because they had them at the store, and I forgot limes were real, to be honest.
Makes sense.
So I just got this. So this is what we're using.
Oh, okay. Well, these were expensive oranges too, huh?
This is like $6 for this.
Bro.
Well, I reckon we have to cut these, don't we?
You know, I didn't think of that.
I'll go get something. Hang on.
Alright, cool. What is this? We're here.
I suppose we are. Is there a particular reason we had to be here, like, in the pitch black?
I mean, it's Halloween, Chris. That's the whole point of this, is it not?
I guess you're right. It is absurdly dark.
Yeah.
Sure
I think it's gonna be.
No problems with this.
Yeah, should be fine. No one knows we're here. We'll be all right. I think this will go perfect, actually. What the fuck?
Harbor Freight survival knife.
What the fuck? Holy shit!
You think I'm the kind of guy who owns a kitchen knife?
Hey, did you know that they put 1 blue in here?
1 blue.
Yeah, they have a blue in here. They put 40 reds and 1 blue.
Bro, I paid for red.
I know.
And they gave me fucking blue.
They gave you one blue.
1 blue.
A 1-to-40 ratio. These fucking scammers, dude.
It's fucking
You
ridiculous.
can't get anything in today's economy.
Honestly, for real. All right. Do you want to prepare these? Just like, I don't know, cut one in half or something.
Yeah,
Because what we're just gonna do is we're gonna squeeze juice out of it. Just give it, do one of these where you roll it,
Yeah, sir.
so you get the juice going.
Yeah, get her fucking. You're making a mixed drink right here, baby. Mixing orange juice with orange
I'm
juice.
kind of a mixologist.
How much do you care about this table?
How much do I care about that table? Not very.
Okay.
Jordan. I was just thinking, right? Like, it's very dark and very quiet out here. You know what I'm saying? I didn't think it was gonna kind of be like this. Like,
I mean,
look at this.
it's kind of like I planned.
For real. Just be careful with all this shit all over the ground.
Some juice on here.
So, you said you wanted the red one.
Take the red one. I think
So-
red and black is a good mixture.
Open her up. So, for this...
Can we get like a...
No, unfortunately not.
There's a little
Now.
queef.
This... You're familiar with Shirley Temple, correct?
Not exactly with what's in it, but I have tasted one before.
She's a dirty Shirley. Okay.
Dirty Shirley. Oh, the old elderly man at work recommended that.
Dirty Shirley. Shirley grew up, started smoking cigarettes,
Did some heroin.
and this is what she's made of now. So apparently this is a source of some controversy.
Mm-hmm.
So I guess originally, when they were originally made, I had to check my audio. When these drinks were originally made, they used ginger beer, which is what this is.
Mm-hmm.
Now, historically, nowadays, if you order a Shirley Temple, it's made with Sprite or ginger ale. Ginger ale and ginger beer differ quite a bit in taste. You still get the same ginger vibe, but normally you would go sans ginger beer or ginger ale, use Sprite for the lemon lime flavor.
Instead, we're using orange just for the orange flavor.
Yes. So keep that in mind, I suppose. So let's do this first. This is
Shit ass vodka. Yeah. What's the percentage on it?
40. It's not shit, but it's not like great. You know, it's
Yeah.
no Tito's.
Yeah, let the man with Parkinson's do it.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, that's about right. Sure.
Looks good. Keep in mind, there's recipes for these things.
We don't do recipes around here.
We're men. We don't do recipes.
Now that we're men. Yeah. You know, SpongeBob.
Now that we're men, we don't use recipes.
Now that we're men.
Our cocktails are very shitty.
Now that we're men. That was pretty fucking good.
So next we use we add our what I thought was 100% red, but it turns out it's sort of also blue. Naturally, when you make this, I think it's supposed to be a much darker red, but this has been
blue.
This has been dyed and is made with corn syrup. Whereas you can make this with, I believe pomegranate. Don't quote me on that.
I think we saw that when we were doing some sightseeing.
This here's grenadine. Okay.
Let me give it a whiff.
Okay.
Smells like sugar.
That it does. It kind of smells like
Medicine.
yeah.
Cough medicine. Yeah.
So let's
Maybe just fucking put grenadine in there.
pour that until it looks good. What do you think?
That's a good mixture. Yeah, yeah. I like
Okay.
it.
Now, put a little bit of if I figure out how to operate this.
It's an intense instrument.
I know, it's tough. And put a little orange juice in there. Feel free to go ham and squeeze this over it.
It's gonna make a fucking mess.
Oh, absolutely. That's why I let you do it. I will say this is going much smoother than I thought.
Can I be honest with you, Chris? This orange looks like a vagina when I squeeze it. It's trying to make me act a fool.
This orange got me acting different.
Doing both.
Yeah, sure. You know? It kind of got me acting strange.
Oh, fuck yeah.
Think that was $1 worth of juice there you got out of that orange?
I don't think so, no. I don't even want to know what's on this towel, but it's okay.
Pieces of our floor, I imagine. Right?
Smells like fucking dick.
Yeah, it smells like ball hair.
It doesn't taste like.
But here's the thing now. We top her up
Oh shit.
with
Steamy.
Australia flavor.
Fucking kangaroos, dude.
What?
Fucking,
Making fun of me.
fucking shaky McGee over here, dude.
Fucking picking on me. Okay.
Holy shit. Put the fucking cork in it, dude. Should I shake it up, Chris?
Sure. Full disclosure. Totally fucking forgot this is carbonated.
Alright.
What do you think, Jordan?
I see a seed in there, which is kind of cool.
Okay.
Let's show the potion to the camera. This is
It
our
looks very potion-esque.
This is our rage potion. Let me turn this light. This is our rage potion.
I'm like looming.
You're a looming figure. That's our rage potion. So are we just gonna sip out of the same thing? If you want to go first, because I do have a slight sickness, as we can tell in my voice, just in
I
case.
suppose, alright.
I don't know if I'm over it yet, but you never know.
Yeah, it is what it is.
Okay, hit it.
Heavy on the ginger beer, I will say.
It's actually pretty good, but it is heavy on the ginger beer. It just tastes like ginger beer, pretty much.
You think so?
Yeah. This is our spooky potion number 1. So,
Does it taste spooky?
I'd say so.
Alright, Jesus Christ, man, relax.
You got a little excited, dude. Get ahead of myself. What can I say? I'm already drunk.
Alright.
That's potion number 1. The Chris and Jordan way. He just fucking eyeballed everything.
Oh, absolutely. Alright, we have an ingredient over there that I left over there. You get the orange. You wanna get on that?
Yeah, let's get these to the side. Just put that like right about there.
Normally on cooking shows you would have like a little pull-out trash can. No, it's on the floor. It's on the floor.
No,
So,
it's in the trash can. They just can't see.
You
it.
can get on that when we get our blue
Do
here.
this the spicy way.
What do you think? Does it hold up to standards?
Huh?
Does
Oh,
it
it is
hold
the
up to
nice one.
standards?
No.
Is it any good?
Not really, no.
Yeah.
It's not even.
It took a little off the top. This is blue curacao. This is Mr. Boston brand. It's a master mixologist in Boston, Massachusetts.
I want to meet this Mr. Boston.
This was $6. This does not look safe to drink. I've already drank it out of this. It smells like orange peel.
It does, it does.
I think this is supposed to be orange liqueur. So, and this is only 15%, but that is also gonna go in.
The vodka, yeah.
So
Alright,
here's my blue. This is just saying, according to the Surgeon General, women should not drink alcoholic beverages during pregnancy because of the risk of birth defects. Consumption of alcoholic beverages impairs your ability to drive a car or operate machinery. May cause health problems.
I say we
And
test that right now.
in Iowa, you can get a 5-cent refund, and in Maine and Vermont, you can get a 15-cent refund.
Fuck, if we drive to Maine again, we can just bring this shit up with us.
This just says certified colors added. It does not
Okay.
say how many colors.
Alright.
This is a little risky maneuver here. It might sound good on the mic. If you bring like the lav over, it might sound
yeah.
good.
Actually, let me do it this
Yeah,
way.
yeah. Let's try this, hang on. It's like I'm pissing.
It did kind of sound like you were taking a piss. This one made a mess, by the way. Trying to be fucking
Yeah,
fancy.
just you're just a touch.
There's some green. We mixed the red and the blue. We got green. Fuck. We're adults, Chris. I feel like we should have had B-roll, a B camera for this. Just watching the effort going into these squeezes.
white knuckle gripping it, bro.
Oh man.
Now this one,
That one just made a mess.
not carbonated. Put a little little shaky shake.
Jesus Christ.
And then
That's a sticky boy.
this is our blue potion here. So a little bit of alcohol on the table. This is what it is. Look at that.
Here, let me get you.
Fucking orange is making noise.
let me get you some light.
Look at that. Sure looks blue.
Yeah, it's almost like a navy blue, to be honest.
Probably gonna taste pretty blue. So it's meant. This isn't too bad actually, from the one sip that I had earlier.
Yeah, you added the vodka. Let's see, the vodka, the blue, and the orange.
So, I am not enthused.
Alright, live reaction. Ready for this? If Chris isn't enthused, that's a problem. This tastes like a gay orange.
Gay orange.
It's like an orange had sets with vodka.
Yeah.
The blue didn't do much to help it. It's like straight vodka.
Yeah.
It's blue vodka.
This might help. There's still a bit in here.
This fucking table's amazing. Hey, we made light blue. Look at that. That's like Jolly Rancher blue almost.
Shit, we're changing colors here.
It's actually more like a turquoise, huh?
I'm gonna wipe the sickness off. I don't think that's how germs work, but I think that's cool.
You actually just spread them.
Probably. I want to say that made it a little better, but
Let me give this a dabble.
I can't speak definitively here.
No, I definitely made it better. At least in the sense that like it's carbonated, so the actual vodka doesn't hit as hard.
Yeah, and well, there's more liquid in it too.
True, we diluted it, yeah.
So Jordan,
Yeah.
we've made our red potion, the blue potion.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna keep it a buck with you, Jordan. We're out of potion bottles. So, what do you think? First one, scale of 1 to 10.
I'm gonna give it 2 ratings. Obviously taste and also design. I think that one in design.
Yeah, these were designed specifically more for aesthetic
Then taste.
than taste.
In terms of design, I think that's a 10, just because
It's
the
neat.
black with the red. Maybe a darker red would have better, I'd say, like a more dark red. But also potions aren't usually dark. Some of them are, but usually they're like a bright,
they're
colorful.
fun.
Yeah. The blue left a little bit to be desired. The red was okay in taste, by the way, if I forgot to mention that. It was like a, what did I say, 7 or 8. It wasn't bad. It was very ginger beer heavy, like you said.
Yeah.
This was pretty good. It was better with the ginger beer for sure. With the vodka, it was just like blue vodka. So
Yeah.
in design, I would say this is like a 7 or 8, and in taste, it's like a 6. Add the ginger beer, it's maybe like a 7.
Let's see. Design on both, I'm gonna say it's like a solid 10 for both.
Yeah.
I like the look.
The look is pretty cool.
Conceptually. This would be cool for like a D&D sort of thing.
Yeah.
You
get mad, you just fucking whip it across the table with the DM.
Yeah, something like that. This one, Red Boy, I'm gonna give it, I don't know. In terms of taste, probably like an 8.
Yeah.
Pretty good. This one, no ginger beer was like a 2.
Yeah.
With the ginger beer was like a 6.
It was like doing a blue shot without the ginger beer.
Yeah, I also like, I found the taste of this very overwhelming. I think I might have used too much, but
Yeah. For me, it was the vodka that came in strong.
If you really care, the recipes for this, I used this here, blue curacao. I used this guy, vodka. I used some grenadine, some ginger beer, and of course some orange.